Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shruti Opines. So guys, today is the last day of this 21-day challenge. First of all, I'm thankful and I'm grateful to you guys that you people have supported me during this journey, and it has been really a great challenge, a great activity for me that continues for the 21 days. I was updating, I was uploading some fruitful videos for you. I hope that you would have also enjoyed these videos, this 21-day challenge. I hope that you must have learned something new, something productive, and if it was useful to you, then do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts, your views, your comments. And as it has been the last day of this 21-day challenge, I have come up with an interesting video for you guys. This video is all about discarding the old sayings and adopting the new sayings, or the new words you can say, because this phrase we have used a lot of time. I used to use a lot of time this word very interesting, very beautiful, very bad. So we have been using this word very with other adjectives to describe, to tell us our feeling, right? So today I have come up with some of the amazing words you can say that you can use, that you can replace your old saying, your old phrase, like very beautiful, very bad and all. And if it's completely up to you. If you're comfortable using such phrases, very beautiful, very dull, very slow, and you're not comfortable adopting new word, then it's pretty fine. But sometimes it's necessary for us to bring variety, to bring diversity in our language, and that makes our language fruitful, fluent, effective and natural too. And another point, it definitely makes your language diversified. So if you're interested in knowing those 20 words, because I have come up with 20 words for you. So I have come up with 20, I'm going to replace the 20 old saying of very, along with very, I have come up with 20 new words. So what else you need? Today you are going to learn some amazing 20 words. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching, and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel also. So let's get started now. So your first word is very slow. So instead of saying very slow, you can use this word lethargic. For example, don't be lethargic and get up. Your second word is very mean. So instead of saying that he's very mean, you can say ungenerous. Ungenerous. For example, his ungenerous attitude isn't going to take him anywhere. Your next saying is very creative. So instead of saying that he's very creative, you can use this word ingenious. Okay, so instead of saying very creative, you can use this word ingenious. For example, he is an ingenious press agent. And your next word is very boring. So instead of saying very boring, you can say mundane. Mundane also means something that is very dull and very boring. So you can say mundane like this. For example, my life isn't mundane. What about you? Comment below. Next thing is very crowded. So instead of very crowded, you can say bustling. So instead of saying that it's a very crowded area, you can say it's a bustling area. So you can use this word bustling instead of very crowded. Your next thing is very empty. So instead of saying very empty, you can say this word desolate. So desolate and desolate, both the pronunciation are correct. For example, it's a desolate place. Your next saying is very cute. So instead of saying that she's very cute, you can use this word adob. Adob. So instead of saying that she's very cute, you can say she is an adob girl. And the next word is very friendly. This is the most commonly used term, very friendly, very friendly. He's very friendly, she's very friendly. So instead of saying that he or she is very friendly, you can use this term amiable. Amiable. So for example, she is amiable to be a friend with. The next saying is very hungry. So instead of saying very hungry, you can use the word starving or famished. Okay, you can say that I'm starving, give me some food, or you can say I'm famished, give me some food. Or your next saying is very heavy. So like this is again a commonly used term. We say very heavy, very heavy, very heavy. So instead of saying very heavy, you can say hefty. Hefty. So it's a very heavy book or it's a hefty book. So can you see the difference? So instead of saying very heavy, you can use this word hefty. So it's a hefty book to carry. Your next saying is very careful. So instead of saying very careful, you can say this word vigilant. Vigilant. So you can say be vigilant when you drive. So your next saying is very loose. So very loose means something which is not tight. Okay, so loose, so instead of saying it's very loose, you can say this word lax. For example, don't tie this rope, it's a lax one. Means it's a loose one, it's very loose. So don't tie this rope. So your next saying is very messy. So instead of saying very messy, you can use this new word sloppy. Sloppy. For example, the field became sloppy after the rain. Your next saying is very lively. It's a very lively discussion or it's a very lively evening. So instead of saying lively, very lively, you can use this term pappy. Pappy. That was a pappy discussion. The next saying is very quiet. He is a quiet or very quiet person. He doesn't talk much. So instead of saying quiet, you can use this new term hushed. Hushed. So for example, he was hushed during the whole conversation. So your next saying is very bad. So instead of saying very bad, you can use this new word crammy. Crammy. For example, it proves to be a crammy furniture that falls apart after a month of use. Next, very commonly said term, very colorful. Your dress is very colorful. So instead of saying very colorful, you can use this word flashy. Flashy. What a flashy dress. So your next saying is very cold. So instead of saying very cold, you can use this word wintry. So don't go outside, it's a wintry weather. Your next term is very scared. So instead of saying I was very scared, you can use this word petrified. Petrified. I was petrified with fear. So your last saying is very nice. So instead of saying very nice, you can use this new word compassionate. Compassionate. It's so compassionate of you guys that you have been with me in this journey, and stay like this. Do shower your love and blessing, and definitely I'm going to update you with lots of fruitful videos in the near future. Be with me just like this, and if you like this video, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.